I look like I've fisted a Simpson. Look what it is! Spoilers, it's me and it's yellow. Okay, but I'm not going to make this long because I don't want you to have time to take this in, because if you want to watch me do this, keep watching. This is just the end of the look, and I thought it'd be pretty to kind of entice you and grab you in and rope you in, or whatever the phrase is, I don't know. Watch me get this look, so watch me get to this from whatever's next. I'm probably not going to film me saying from this, so yeah. Keep watching! This top looks so nice on camera. Wow. Hello. This video today, just before we get started, I wanted to just throw this in and just say it's sponsored, in a way, in a word, in a sense. Who by? Well, people at Turned Yellow got in touch with me and wanted me to make a video. So this is the video is, all inspiration and everything like that. Who are Turned Yellow? A bunch of artists, professional artists, and they create unique portraits, but they're mainly for if you're considering turning yourself yellow, and by that they do mean as in a Simpsons character. I don't know if they knew I was obsessed with The Simpsons, and I don't know if any of you knew that, but I am obsessed with The Simpsons. I've even got a Simpsons tattoo. Let's see. See that there? The moth. If you know what it's from, you know what it's from. If you don't, ugh. Yellow avatars are the best gift and can generate cool content, inside jokes, and a fun way to engage with people. And have you ever pictured yourself as a yellow character, just like Paris Hilton did? That's what they said, didn't know she did that. Oh, well. Well, basically, they'll turn you into a Simpson. Based off this one image of mine, here's what they did. There's the physical products. Let me show you. And here she is, in the flesh. In the yellow flesh. Now, I love this so much. I love the picture anyway. I was like, there I am. But now that I've got it in person, I'm not someone who hangs things up normally. I don't like to have things hanging up or whatever. But I got this, and it's in my kitchen. Everyone loves it. Every time someone sees it, they're like, oh, something's happening. Oh, it's so cool. Nice little canvas print. They do all sorts though. So you can send in a picture of you or even an animal and give in a bunch of other additional details. Selection of backgrounds. I went for the church because I just think it's funny, and then it means you can also put in any of your favourite messages in front of the church. Choose one of your favourite ones from one of your favourite episodes, or just peddle your own ideology. So yeah, that's just turnedyellow.com. It's all one word. Thank you so much, Turned Yellow, for that. So I thought that would be it's about time I put out a video of me turning myself yellow, kind of in celebration of that. And also, there is going to be a Simpsons transformation coming soon, some little inside info. This isn't one right now, this is just me turning myself yellow because I was into painting myself. I am thinking of doing a Marge Simpson transformation. So here is going to be me turning myself yellow with suspiciously shorter hair and thinner lips, and a completely different background as well. It's really weird. I have no explanation for that at all. I'm gonna just cut straight to the point, the chase. Yeah, I'm painting myself yellow today. If you look, you can see my face is wet because there's different sprays. I've got a micellar water spray that I like to spray on before my makeup. Primer water from Primark, and it's not black, but it smells lovely. But then I've also got this Revolution Hyaluronic Fix spray, which is like technically a setting spray, but it's also got hyaluronic acid in it, and that plumps and hydrates your face, and that's just lovely. So I'm all ready and wet. Gonna glue my eyebrows down. You know the drill, so I'm gonna just go, okay, and I'm back. So the eyebrows are covered, they've just got the powder sitting on them, and I've got this yellow velvet bodysuit on. It's got a back. I only have to paint my face, neck, and arms. I don't really have to do much on my back. I can't fasten it because I can't do the button because I'm just a very incapable person. So I have to do a little bit on the face because I feel like the makeup definitely wants to stain my skin. Just a little bit of makeup down. I don't know. There's a barrier between the paint and my skin. Also, I don't think the paint is completely opaque because I can still see my tattoos through it. So if I do some basic contouring and highlighting, it's going to be underpainting. So let's do that. Highlight. All bits want to stand out. Woo! And then I'll just use my normal base colour for the rest of it. And then just very roughly blend it out. But this looks pretty cool like this, really. Well, it's mostly just the white that's ended up blending, and I've ended up looking really pale. Actually will help the colour of the yellow stand out, having myself as a blank white canvas. I've also got an eye primer, and it's yellow. Right, so I've got some Snazzaroo face paint, which is just cheap and good. Costs like £4 something for one. So I got yellow. I've also got white and black. The white will be good for highlighting. The black, I don't know. And it's very simple. It's just some water activated face paint. I think it's water activated. I'm just going to do one big stripe. Ooh, that's yellow. I've got a neon yellow wig I'm going to wear with this. So I just want to be very yellow. I might have to do a few layers of this. But also because it's wet, as it dries, it might dry and then suddenly become a bit patchy. I don't want my brush to be too wet when going over the eyebrow. Because I have got water-soluble glue covering my eyebrows. This is so neon. Is it just me or does it look almost slightly green? It's like that neon yellow-green colour, isn't it? Doesn't match the golden mustard yellow of my bodysuit. And I also want it to be nice and blended, so I'm going to just keep going over bits until they look like, until the coverage is like consistent. So I don't want to look streaky or patchy, because I don't want people to know that my skin isn't actually yellow. But I'm going to have my hair parted, I think, on the left, so this side isn't really that important. I feel like it definitely looks very green, and I definitely look like some sort of lizard person. Okay, I'm trying to blend this bit in the middle of my forehead, and literally no matter what I do, it just kind of isn't... Paint just isn't going there, can you see? What? Huh? My forehead, just a weird phenomena. That looks so bad, what's this all about? Whatever. That's a yellow shoulder. Oh, I hate doing this bit. It's trying to do like the back of my arms. Everything's just awkward and horrible and terrible. I look like that meme, you know, that like... It's not even a meme, but it's like, you know, when they say highlight all the important areas. Now I'll try and do the back of my neck, but I'm going to have a wig on. Hopefully a long wig, so no one will really be seeing the back of my neck. Making my fucking tits jiggle and bounce around. Neon nipples. Used to be my nickname in high school. But I look terrifying when I talk. With no eyes or anything. Ugh, horrible. Ooh, I'm like kind of green and yellow like an ogre. This is what Fiona would look like if she like, I don't know, died. Developed an eating disorder. Right, let's see if I can put paint on my forehead yet. Not really. It just doesn't want to be in the middle. What on earth is that all about? Now for my arms and I guess my hands, since I was the genius who didn't buy yellow gloves. I don't want to paint my fingertips on my palms though, because then I'll just be getting yellow on everything. I mean, I already am going to. All my tights, everything I'm wearing, it's all going to get yellowed, isn't it? But I think if I leave my palms, that's acceptable. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, no. I look like I've fisted a Simpson. See, this part is less fun, because I hate using my left hand, because it's just stupid, it doesn't know how to work. Who's left-handed, who's watching? I just want you to know that you're wrong. Still need to do a little bit of work on the back of this shoulder, but now I'm going to go in with some white, do some highlighting. Just like that. I feel like all the white does is just make it look a little bit greener, and even more neon. You know, it's all just looking kind of pretty gross. I'm wondering how I should contour, if I should at all. I don't really think I should try going in with the black, but then part of me's tempted. Oh, fuck it, we'll try some black. We'll do it around the forehead and the jaw. Let's see. And start to blend with this sponge. Yeah, it's like a dark green. It's a nice green, actually. But I'm not here to make myself green. I feel like an orange might make more sense to kind of contour with. Yeah, because it just makes me look green. That's not what I wanted. Oof. I've got this bunch of like yellow eyeshadows from one of those cheap Amazon palettes. Yeah. Matches my outfit a bit better. So I'm going to contour all the areas I would normally contour. I think I might end up going in with the white stick though, just because dark colours on the yellow is very hard to do and make work. So I guess we'll just go straight into the eyes. Now every time I glue my eyebrows down I get tempted to do super dramatic big eyes, but I'm going to try not to. I'll start off with a black pencil. sketch out where everything's going to go. So I'm going to start with the eyeliner. So I'm going to have that, and then have a wing come out, and then that's going to come back in and connect. So in like a, almost like a perfect triangle. See, part of me wants to cover my whole eyelid because then it's just easier. This face paint's so like tacky. Something like that. Okay, now the crease is begging to be here. So let's just put it like a little bit lower. I'm gonna try for like a floating crease like that. Okay, and then the eyebrows, I'm gonna start here all the way up because I love these ridiculously high eyebrows on me. I don't know why, but I really like how they look. And yeah, I'm doing it with a black pencil because, yeah, why not? Okay, so, time to go in with the colours, which isn't going to be much because I've already got a big green thing going on and it's hard to really add to that. I'm thinking orange. I got this new palette from MUA and it's lovely. Tap it all along like the crease, like there, and start to blend that out. Very Club Kiddie, it doesn't really have to be like as perfect. And then I'm also going to add some of, well, there's a more shimmery orange here, let's try that. I'm going to add that to the bottom. Mainly the outer bit at the bottom. And then there's like this metallic shade. How does that look? Yeah. And then there's this gold shade in the middle, so I've just gotta try her. Put her like... My eyes look so weird when I haven't filled in the eyeliner. I look like my eyes are really far apart, like an avatar or something. Okay, now because I just have to, I'm gonna use the Body Shop's yellow and... you see? That's yellow, this is green. And then put it on top of the orange and it'll like hopefully try and make the orange blend into yellow. And this is why I haven't coloured in the eyeliner, by the way, because I just have to go over it again because I'm putting all these colours down. Okay, and I'm going to take like a little brush and literally any old kind of just dark shadow. Don't know, red? I'll take this like red. I'm going to just dot it along that black line. But then also start to smudge. So what I'm going to hopefully try and do is stop the black line looking so harsh. But I also don't mind if it is that harsh because I like the harsh crease. But also being careful here because this is where my eyebrows glued down. So I don't really want to disturb that. This is the MUA 15 shade palette Empire Butterfly. And all the shades just have numbers. I'm currently using 13. A lucky number for me because it's unlucky for everyone else. And I was born on the 13th of August. The 13th hour of the 13th day of the 13th month. Lousy March weather. And then I'll add some of the red just to my lower eye. And then I'm going to go into this like, I don't know what colour this is. It's like a browny purple or whatever. I'm going to just put that in my eyebrow. Now to go in with the white paint stick and cause some trouble. So first I'm going to cut the crease and place it all over the eyelid. Give myself a nice white lid. You know, just crisp it up a bit. So you see, that's my eyelid and it comes all the way this way. The crease actually doesn't come back down. That's what I like. It's like this floating crease. I just think that looks cool and it looks very like makeup-y. And then I also like to bring the crease in. Give me that really sharp inner corner highlight. The lower waterline. Just a little tip, just a tip. And then a little bit up here. And I'll bring that down the bridge. Okay, now to clean up under the eyebrow. I love this bit. It's really like satisfying if it goes right. Okay, and I think that's basically all like the highlighting and stuff done with the paint stick. I might reinforce some of that with an eyeshadow. But we're getting very close to being done. I forgot I also have this gold. This is just lovely. This is very like pigmented stuff. If I just put it like there. Like, whoa. It's just like powder gold, but I'm going to tap it around rather than rub it because it really just kind of dulled out then when I spread it. I think it looked better with the white there actually. It looked more graphic and interesting, so whoops. Okay, so as you can tell, I very quickly, swiftly and effectively declared fuck that to the gold and put some white back on, and yeah, it's lovely now, it's kind of okay, so whatever. enough of that. It's kind of left a nice little gold around my eyes, so I guess I'm not too mad at whatever the hell just happened. So, sorry. Eyeliner. I'm just going to colour in that like triangle shape with a liquid felt tip. And now mascara. Just so everything blends in a bit better. And then I'll do more eyeliner so it's like blacker. But it's looking pretty good. The liquid eyeliner because that's the blackest thing I've got. And then because I don't like sticking bottom lashes on but I kind of like the look of it, I'm going to draw some bottom lashes on. Highlighter, we'll do some highlighter. So it's got a blob of it on each finger and I'm going to just tap it on the upper cheekbone. Now this whole lining my lips in black to try and get a graphic look never really works, but I still insist on doing it, so there we go. I'm going to do quite big lips. Or I guess just the normal size on me. Okay, so right now that looks like a moustache, which is pretty funny. Blue lipstick, it's by Essence, I think. Yeah. I wore this blue lipstick on my first ever shift at Heaven, which is what I'm doing tonight. And it's all everyone spoke about. They were like, oh, I love your lips. Oh, okay, so I think the face part is done. So I'm going to put on the lashes and a wig and show you the finished look. I don't have many yellow accessories or whatever. So, that sucks. Alright. And I'm back. Hair is on. Lashes are on. Outfit and body are on. Ugh. Suddenly I look yellow again. I don't look as green, whatever. But here we go. I'm just wearing a simple crushed velvet yellow bodysuit and my legs are yellow too. Let's see if I can stand on this. Oh! There we go. How can I get back down? Oh, standing on a spinny chair is so hard. I'm really pleased with how this looks. I look really pretty. The hair is very flat because it's that, you know, new straight out the bag kind of straight, but I kind of live for that on me. Alright, if you watch this whole thing, thank you very much. If you want to try this look, please do and let me know and show me. That'd be really cool. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a very nice encouraging comment. Please check out my other videos if you liked this one. I've got loads of makeup tutorials. I paint myself sometimes. I review things. I've got lots of wig reviews, product reviews, boob reviews, extension reviews, makeup reviews, advice videos, Drag 101, a gaming channel. I got it all. Check me out on social media. Instagram, Ava Cassandra. Facebook is Ava Cassandra. YouTube's Ava Cassandra. And Patreon.com/Ava Cassandra. And my PayPal.me/Ava Cassandra. If you want to send me like a tribute, you know. But yeah. Oh, I'm very happy with this. Now I'm going to rush and go to work. So thank you very, 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 very much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Let me know what you want me to do next. Okay, cool. Bye.